So today we have verbs pattern, right? Verb.
Yes.
So my first verb, which is sometimes we can say a very important verbs, 40 verbs which will give you a good hike in terms of your speaking. So that's a very important verb. So my first verb is to lead. Lead is to
Read. Okay.
lead is to yes. The same in French language, lead. Lead
Mm-hmm.
is to lead, but there we have lir. That we call as layer. L-double-E-R. In Spanish, we have layer is to read, but in French, we have lead is to read. So that is layer. Layer is to read. See, in French, we have lead. Very simple. Lead, and here we have lead is an IR conjugation in French. But in Spanish, we have ER ending verb AR. Okay, so that is called as layer is to read. So if I'm saying layer, if I want to convert layer, so what I will say, yo leo, speak up. Yo
Leo.
leo,
Yo leo.
to less.
Tú
Yes, we
lees.
have the ending, we have O, we have ending AS. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Yo leo,
Yes.
tú
Yo
less,
leo.
tú
Tú
less,
lees.
el
Tú
E.
lees.
We have an accent over here. That E we have an accent. Let me take the accent first. So that is we call as el,
El, ella.
ella, le. El, ella, le.
Le.
Why? Because we have ending of O, AS, A. Is it clear to you?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then we have nosotros.
Nosotros.
Nosotros would not be changed. That is lemos.
Lemos.
Okay. Nosotros lemos. Vosotros leis. That E we have an accent.
Okay.
Le,
Leis.
leis. Vosotros
Leis.
leis. Is that clear to you? So speak after me. Leer is to read. Yo leo.
Le. Yo leo.
Les.
Tú lees.
Ella lee. Nosotros.
Él, ella lee.
Nosotros leemos.
Nosotros leemos.
Vosotros leís.
Leis.
And ellos, ellas leen. Is that clear to you? Here we have an ending. Here we have aes ending, and here we have amos ending. So these are the ending of AR conjugation, AR ending verbs O, AS, A, amos, AIS, N. But in AR ending verb
Okay.
we have O, AS, A, amos, AIS, AN. So it is just rather A, we have to insert E. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So next conjugation we have is, next verb we have is comer. Comer. Comer is to eat. So it's a very simple verb. Speak up. Yo como. Why? Because we have to remove er,
Mm-hmm.
we have to remove er, and we
Yeah.
have to insert o at the end.
And
Is it clear to you?
yes.
So yo como. Speak up. Yo
Yo
como.
como.
Tú comes. What I
Tú
can say is
comes.
ending. We have to remove ar ending, and this is we have the ending.
Yes,
Is it
yes.
clear to you? Tú
Mm-hmm.
comes.
Tú
Yeah.
comes.
Here we have an accent over here.
Mm-hmm.
Él, ella
Ella
come.
come. Come.
Él, ella
Come.
come, because we have a ending. Is it clear to you?
हाँ जी.
Nosotros. Nosotros is the same like comemos. Come,
Comemos.
mos. So we have here emos ending. In
Mm-hmm.
here we have amos ending, right? And
Mm-hmm.
here we have vosotros.
Vosotros.
Coméis.
Coméis.
This E we have a accent. Coméis. So we have ending aes and ellos,
Ellas.
ellas comen. Why? Because we have en ending. An. Is that clear to you?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Sure. Can we move ahead? The next word we
Yes.
have is beber. Beber,
Beber.
drink. In French language we have boire. So in
Boire.
French language we speak like je bois, tu bois, il boit, nous buvons, vous buvez, and ils, elles boivent. But here we have beber. It's very simple ending. Yo bebo.
Yo
Simply
bebo.
we have to remove er and we have to insert o.
Oh.
Is that clear to you? Two, tell
Yes.
me what would be two? Two bebes. Why?
Two
Because
bebe.
we
E.
is it clear to you? As ending, right? El ella what? El
Bebe.
ella. Very good, bebe. Nosotros is what? Nosotros is
Baby.
very good.
Bebemos.
Bebemos, very good. And vosotros is what?
Bebéis.
Very good. Bebe is. That E we have an accent. Okay, bebe is. And ellos, ellas what? Beben.
Beben.
Is that clear to you? Right? The next we have viver. Tell me what would be viver? Vivre. In French we have vivre.
Vivre. Vivre
Viv.
is to
And
live.
here in French we have viver. Viver is to live.
Viver.
Is that clear to you? To speak up yo vivo.
Yo
Clear to you?
vivo.
They go to 1 second, please.
Sure.
Yo vivo. Tu
Vivo.
vives. Is that clear to
Tu
you?
vives.
El, ella is what? El,
Vive.
ella vive. Yeah. Nosotros is what? Nosotros
Vivemos.
vivimos. Very good. Vivimos. Why? Because that's an I ending. So vivimos. Is that clear to you? Vosotros. Vosotros vives. Why?
Viveis.
Vives. Why? Because this is my I ending verb. Right? So vosotros vives.
Vives.
Yeah. The next we have is ellos,
Yes.
ellas. Mhm. Ellos, ellas viven. Is that clear to you?
So the formula is similar for I as
Exactly. It
well.
is, yes. It is just rather we use vivemos, but rather e we have to insert I because there's an ironing
I.
verb vivimos.
There are how many types of like in French?
Three verbs. We have three verbs. Uh, AR, ER, and IR. Is that clear to you? So speak after me. Yo vivo, tú vives, él, ella vive, nosotros vivimos, vosotros vivéis, and ellos, ellas viven. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
The next one we have is escribir. Escribir is to write.
To write.
Something we have a similarity, right? Okay. Escribir is to write. So speak
Right.
of yo escribo simple.
Yo
Yo
escribo.
escribo, tú escribes,
Escribes.
escribes, él, ella
Escribe.
escribe,
Three.
yes. Nosotros,
Escribimos.
very good, escribimos. Why? Because there's an ironing verb.
I.
Escribimos, okay. And vosotros Tell me what were the vosotros?
Is.
Very good. Escribes. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Ellos.
Ellos. Escriben.
Very good. Escriben. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
The moment you will do practice, you will come to know entire things, right? So next verb we have is, let's go for a air ending verb. Necesitar. Speak up. Necesitar. Necesitar is to need. Okay, necesitar. So here we have necesito. Yo necesito. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
To. Sorry. Yes. To.
Necesitas.
Necesitas. Nece. Necesitas. Necesitas. Now tell me él, ella.
Necesita.
Necesité.
Necesita. Necesita.
Mm-hmm.
Nosotros. Nosotros necesitamos.
Nos.
Necesitamos. Is that clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Vosotros. Tell me. Necesitáis. Necesitáis.
Type.
That A we have an accent first. Let me go for accent. Why? Because we have vosotros is coming with an accent. It could be A or E. We have to insert accent over here. Is that clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Clear?
Yes.
Necesitáis and ellos, ellas necesitan. Why? Because that's an A ending verb, right? Necesitan. Is it clear to you? So in case of air ending verb, we have ending of what ending? We have to use ending. In air ending verb, we have to use O,
O. Is.
as, as.
Amos.
We have a,
Art.
we have amos. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
We have eyes and we have arm.
Art.
It is just in E ending verb we have to insert E rather R. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So please explain IR verbs also.
ठीक है and I verb में we have to insert I. Is that clear to you? For example, we have done vivid, so I. So ending of my I ending verb is an. Okay. First we have O E S E. That's the same. But in case of nosotros and vosotros, my it is I rather E.
E.
See, in I ending verb, it's very simple. In I ending verb, okay, we have same conjugation of er ending verb. We have same conjugation of er ending verb, but nosotros nosotros would only be conjugate with I. Only in case of nosotros and vosotros, we have vivemos, for example. Vivemos is wrong. We have vivimos. Why? Because that's a ironing verb. Only in case of nosotros and vosotros we will apply I. For example, we have viveis. Here we have vive. Is that clear? Sorry, vives. Hold on. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
See, we have same ending of a r, But in nosotros and vosotros, we have to insert I. That's that's the same funda. Is that clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Please read this. In I ending verb, we have the same formula of AR ending verb, but nosotros and vosotros would only be conjugate with I conjugation. It is just we cannot insert E over here. We have to insert I over here. We cannot insert A over here. We have to insert E over here. I. Is that clear to you? Clear हुआ? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you tell me now, usar. Usar is to use. The same you will do with AR ending verb. So what you will do? Yo uso, simple. Yo
So,
uso, tu usas,
tu usas,
clear to you. El ella what?
usa,
El, very good. Nosotros is what?
usatamos,
It's very good. Usamos and vosotros is what?
usais.
Very good. Usais, but we have an accent over here. Usais. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And put in my ellos, ellas,
Ustan.
on. Is that clear to you? It is just we have to remove AR, we have to remove AR, and we have to insert the endings. O,
Has.
A,
Ha.
is that clear to you? A, am,
Amos.
eyes,
Mm-hmm.
and on. Is that
Ah.
clear? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? So,
Yes,
if
sir.
with the next verb, that can be lavar. Speak up.
Lava.
Lavar. Lavar is to wash.
Okay.
We have se laver verb, right? In French. So here we have lavar. So simple. Simple. Yo lavo, tú lavas, él, ella lava, lavamos, laváis, and lavan.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? We
Mm-hmm.
have cocinar. Cocinar, we have cuisine in French, cuisine. Here we have
Okay.
cocinar to cook. So you can do like this: cocino, cocinas, cocina, cocinamos, cocinais, and cocinan. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
The next one we have is limpiar. Limpiar is to clean.
Clean.
We have nettoyer verb in French, nettoyer.
Mm-hmm.
Nettoyer is to clean. And in Spanish we have limpiar. So it's the same ending. So what you will do? Can you do this, or
Same.
I will do this for
No,
you?
सब कर लेंगे तो
Okay, yo
सेम ही है ना.
limpio. Yes, limpio, limpias, limpia,
Yeah,
limpiamos, limpiáis,
limpiamos,
limpia.
limpiáis, limpian.
Amar is to love. We have
Okay.
adore in French, but in Spanish we have amar, and amar is to love. Same ending: amo, amas, ama, amamos, amais, and amar. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
We have hablar. We already have covered. Hablar is to speak. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
We have ayudar.
I
Ayudar is
managed
to
to help.
very good help. The next one we have is regresar. Regresar is to return.
Okay. Great.
Revenir is to come back in French. We have regresar is to return. Is it clear to you? So same ending you will apply. Speak up. Buscar.
Buscar.
Buscar is to look for, to search. Is it clear to you?
So it's like AR ending हमारी first AR group type हो गई like we did in French.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Exactamente. Yeah.
Stuck.
Scar is to look for.
So,
Quedar. Speak up. Quedar. Sorry,
okay.
quedar. Perdón. Kedar, that's an a running verb, that's not a year, that is a running verb. Kedar. Kedar is to stay.
Okay.
Kedar is to stay. So if you want to convert Kedar, let's do it for you. Yo quedo, simple.
Okay,
Okay.
though.
Tu
Okay.
quedas, yeah.
El
El
ella
y
queda.
very good. And I think you will do this. Quedamos, quedáis,
Yes.
quedan,
Quedamos, queda. Yes.
and quedan. The next word we have is esperar.
Espera.
Is to wait
Okay.
and to hope also. We have espere verb.
Espere.
Espere, yeah, is to
Yes.
hope and to wait. So you can make it with the ending. You can take the help of a ending verb. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Now will come with a pattern of irregular verb. For example, we have saber. Saber is to know. Saber is to know. So speak up. Yo say.
Yo sé.
E we have accent first. So here we have yo say. We cannot say like this. Yo sabio. No. You cannot make yo sabo. No. That is a irregular verb. That is yo say. Speak up. Yo say.
Yo sé.
That formula is as it is as we have ear and ear conjugation. So tu sabes.
Sabes.
Why? Because we have to remove ear and we have to remove,
Ella.
yeah. The tu sabes. It is just in your case we have tu say. We cannot say yo sabo. That never exists in Spanish. So yo say tu sabes. El ella.
Sabe.
Very good. El ella sabe. Nosotros sabemos.
Sabemos.
Yeah. Vosotros.
Vosotros sabéis.
Very good. Sabéis. We have accent over here. Yeah. And ellos.
Ella
Ella.
sabe.
Very good. Saben. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The next word we have is dormir.
Dormir.
I think you know what is dormir. Dormir is to sleep.
Sí.
But now, as I already explained to you, whenever have consonant between the vowel, between the vowel. For example, we have D, we have O, and we have R. So my O is coming between the two vowel,
Ella.
the two vowel, sorry, the two consonant, smile, the two
Yes.
consonant. So that O is converted into UE.
You.
Is that clear to you? That O is, we have done querer verb. Yo puedo. We already have covered, right? So whenever you have O is coming between the two consonants, that O is converted into UE. So that's the same formula, or ending would be same because that is R ending verb. So in R ending verb, we have formula of O, okay, O, E S, E, emos. Here we have
Imos.
because that's an R ending verb, right? And here we have is.
Es.
Here we
El.
have in. Why? Because only my nosotros and vosotros would be with I conjugation. The rest would be as it is like ER conjugation. Is that clear to you?
Okay.
So what will you do? Yo duermo. Why? Because my O is converted into UE. Yo duermo. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You understand this? duermes. Why? Because my O is converted into UE.
UE.
Duermes.
Duermes.
Okay. LAI is what?
Duerme.
Very good. Why? Because O is converted into
Yes.
we have
UE.
dormir. Okay, now. So my O is converted into UE. So here we have duerme. Is that clear to you?
Duerme. Yes.
The next we have is nosotros. Nosotros es dormimos. Here we don't have a formula because I already explained to you in nosotros and vosotros we don't have a formula of UE as we have done in career conjugation also in the past verbs, right? So
Yes.
dormimos.
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Dormimos.
And vosotros we have
Do.
dormes. Very good. Dormes. Very good. But yes, ellos, ellas, we have a
But
formula.
DUER.
Yes, do ermen.
Duerme.
Ermen. Is it clear to you? So speak after me. Yo, see, dormir. Whenever you have O, that is converted into UE.
Okay.
UE. Your O is converted into
UE.
UE over here. Yeah. So you have to insert UE here. You have to insert UE here, and ending would be same. O. Is it clear to you? Here you have to convert UE and the ending would be AS. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And here we have UE and here we have A ending. Yeah. And here
We don't change.
we don't change. Why? Because that's a nosotros and vosotros and that is connected with IR conjugation EMOS. Is it clear to you? In nosotros and vosotros, we don't have UE conversion. Why? Because that's a formula. We cannot go for UE conversion in nosotros and vosotros. Yeah. But in case of ellos, ellas, we have UE and we have in. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear to you, Senora?
Yes, sir.
The next conjugation we have is morir.
More.
Morir is to die. Morir is to die. As I explained to you, whenever we have O again between the two consonants,
mm,
so my O is converted into what? UE,
mhm,
yeah? And this is
Yes,
I
sir.
verb. So what is this? Yo muero.
Muero. Muero.
Is it clear to you? Tu
Yes, sir.
mueres.
It
Yeah?
is.
Yeah? Ella
muere,
muere.
More.
Very good. But here now we have a nosotros.
We don't
In
change.
nosotros we don't have UE conversion. So
Morir.
nosotros, very good. Morimos. Nosotros, morimos. Now we have vosotros. Again, we don't have UE conversion with vosotros. We have mores.
Mores.
Yes, in ellos, ellas, we have a conversion of UE. So, muere. Is it clear to you, senora?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. Now we have mover. Mover is to move.
Okay.
Now again we have O coming between the two consonants. So what you will do?
UE,
UE.
Very good. Yo
A,
muevo. Muevo. Is that clear to you?
mueres,
Mm-hmm. Mueves. Él, ella mueve. ¿Ya?
Mueve.
Nosotros
E, mm, es,
Now
Yes.
this is ear ending verb. So we have movemos. It's not I
Moving.
because movemos. Why? Because in ear conjugation we have a
A.
mos ending. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Senoras. Yeah. Vosotros movéis. Yeah. And ellos, ellas, tell me. Mueven.
Moving.
I, yeah, because this is a formula. Is it clear to you?
Moving.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have the next verb is jugar. Jugar, because my J sound is her. Jugar is to play. Jugar is to play.
Play.
Again, yes, to play. Again, we have vowel between, we have a
Two
vowel
consonants.
between two consonants that U is converted into U.
UE.
Yeah. Is it clear to you, senoras?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we'll do, yo, juego. J sound is her, juego. Yeah. Tú, juegues. Is it clear to you, senoras?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, it's an air ending verb, so there could be juegas.
You.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
And because that's an air ending verb, so él, ella, juega.
Vega.
Okay.
Yeah. Nosotros
Vega.
jugamos. That will not change.
Vamos.
Is that clear to you? Nosotros will not come under the category of the consonant between two vowels. That is simple jugamos. Why? And we have ending of amos. Is that clear to you, senoras?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah. So vosotros. Tell me what is vosotros? Jugais. Very good. And here
Guys.
we have an accent. In vosotros we have an accent. So we have jugais. Yeah. Is that clear to you? Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me what would be Ayos and Ayos. Ayos and Ayas.
Can.
Tell me.
Gan.
Huegan, very good. Huegan. Because
Yoga.
it is just we cannot go for nosotros and vosotros that a UE ending, sorry, UE conversion. So jugar, we have U between the two consonants that is converted into UE. So yo juego, tú juegas, él, ella juega, speak after me. Nosotros
Yoga.
jugamos,
Nosotros
vosotros
vamos.
jugáis, and ellos, ellas juegan. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Senoras, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, the next one we have is encontrar. Speak up. Encontrar. Encontrar is also to find. Buscar verb also is to look for, but here this is a encontrar. Encontrar
Encontrar.
is to find.
Find.
In French we have trouver, here we have encontrar. अब you tell me, my O is coming between the two.
Yeah.
My O is
Correct.
coming between the two.
Consonant.
Consonants.
Is it clear to you?
Okay.
So here we have, okay. So my O is coming between two consonants. So what you will do? Yo, E, N, C. My
Intro.
O is converted into U, E. Tell me, is it clear to you?
Intro.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
sir.
We have N, T, R, O.
Encuentro.
Yo encuentro is I find.
Encuentro.
Yes. Up here we have E, N. Okay. C. Your O is converted into U, E. Okay. Then you can put N, T, R, A, S. So two
Yes.
encuentras because this is an
Encuentras.
air ending verb. Khushbu and Neha, is it clear to you, senoras?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The next we have is el ella.
Encuentra.
Very good. NCU, because that is converted into O is converted into UE. So here we have
And
encuentra. Yeah. But nosotros, we don't have the conversion. Yeah. So here we have encontramos.
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 Yeah. And vosotros.
Encontráis.
Very good, Senora. Encontráis. And here we have an accent. Okay. In vosotros we have an accent, right? And ellos, ellas.
encuentrar.
Encuentren.
Very good. Encuentran. Very good. Quen, see you. Yeah. Encuentran. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? So speak after me. Yo encuentro. Speak up. Yo
Yo
encuentro.
encuentro.
Yo
Tú
encuentro.
encuentras.
Tú
Tú
encuentras.
encuentras.
Él, ella encuentra.
Él,
Ella
ella encuentra.
Nosotros encontramos.
nosotros encontramos.
Nosotros encontramos.
Vosotros encontráis.
Nosotros
Vosotros encontráis.
And ellos, ellas encuentran.
Ellos, ellas encuentran.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
The next verb we have is empezar.
Empezar.
Empezar is just like in French we have commencer verb. Yeah. So
To start.
empezar is to begin.
Begin.
Up again we have a rule. Whenever you have E between the two consonants, that E is converted into IE. Whenever you have E between the two consonants, P and Z is a consonant, right? That E is converted into IE. So we have a rule. O is converted into UE. Yeah? What is this? O is converted into UE.
E.
U is converted into UE.
U.
And
E.
E is converted into IE. Is
I.
that clear to
E.
you? Is that clear to
और भी
you?
सब कैटेगरीज है या यही है इसकी?
There are a few categories there, two, three categories more. Where basically these are the categories, but that is not in every cases. See, this is exception verbs. Yeah. So basically these are the categories which we are following. There are very few categories. O, U, E. There is one more category I think which I will explain to you. Yeah. So that is empezar. Empezar is to begin.
Begin.
Okay. Like we have there are lot of categories. We have tener verb, tengo. We have here salir verb also. In French we have sortir is to go out, to leave. Here we have salir. Again salir, there is a formula of salir. So there is a lot of irregular verbs, I would say. There is a lot of exception verbs, but slowly and gradually we'll come to know. Yeah.
Wait.
So empezar is to begin. So yo, I begin is what? Tell me. Yo, E M M.
M.
Okay.
P. I. E.
Very good. I E. Very good. Z
Z.
O. So
O.
what would say yo empiezo. Yo empiezo. Yo
Empiezo.
empiezo. Now here we have two. E M P, that is converted. E is converted into I E.
I.
Yeah.
E. Z. A. S.
Z
Empieza.
A S.
Empieza.
Yes. Two empiezas. Is that clear to you?
Empiezas. Okay.
In ella, now we have E M, yeah, P I E Z A. So here we have in ella,
Empieza.
empieza. Very good. Nosotros would not be changed. Yeah. What would say? Empezamos.
Empezamos.
Empezamos. Yeah.
Vamos.
Vosotros would not be changed. Yeah. Emphasize. Very good.
Size.
Emphasize. A we have an accent. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Eos. Eyas. Now.
Sara.
Empieza.
Very good. MPSan. MPSan. Is it clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
So speak up. Empezar is to begin. Speak after me. Empezar is to begin.
Empezar
Sara is
is to
to
begin.
be
Yo empiezo.
yo
Yo
MP
empiezo.
Tú empiezas.
tú
Tú
empiezas.
empiezas.
Ella empieza.
Ella
Él,
empieza.
ella empieza.
Nosotros empezamos.
Nosotros
Nosotros empezamos.
Vosotros empezáis.
nosotros
Vosotros
empezamos.
empezáis.
Ellos, ellas empiezan.
Ella
Ellos
empieza.
empiezan.
Is it clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So the next word we have is entender. Speak up.
Entender.
Entender is to understand. Very important verbs, guys. These verbs will give you a, you know what, drastically your level would move on because of these verbs. Because these verbs are very important. Okay.
Okay.
So entender is to understand. So my E is stem is converted into IE.
Okay.
My E stem is converted into IE.
I
So what will do? Yo entiendo.
Tú entiendas.
Very good. Yo entiendo.
entiendo.
Tú entiendas.
Entiendas.
Yeah.
Él, ella
Él, ella.
entienda.
Entienda.
Very good. Entienda. No, it's my mistake. Sorry. Perdón. Perdón.
Yes.
Sorry. Perdón.
Yes.
Perdón. My mistake. So here we have
Yes.
ER conjugation. So here we have entiendes. Yeah. Okay. So here we have ER ending verb. So here we have entiende.
Entiende.
Is that clear to you? Okay.
Yes.
Nosotros.
Entendemos.
Very
Entendemos.
good. Here
Entendemos.
we have entendemos.
Entendemos.
Yeah. And
Vosotros.
vosotros
Entendéis.
Yes.
entendéis.
Entendéis.
Entendéis. Y we have our accent first. Entendéis. Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
And ellos, ellas.
Entienden.
Very good, señora. Entienden. Entienden. Is it clear to
Entienden.
you? So
Yes, sir.
speak after me. Entend is to understand. Entender. Speak up. Yo
Entender.
entiendo.
Yo entiendo.
Yo entiendo. Tú entiendes.
Tú entiendes.
Él, ella entiende.
Él, ella entiende.
Nosotros entendemos.
Nosotros entendemos.
Vosotros entendéis.
Vosotros
Vosotros
entendéis.
entendéis.
And ellos, ellas entienden.
Ellas
Ellos,
entienden.
ellas entienden.
Is it clear to you? We already have covered the next verb, querer. Querer is to want. Now we have E. Now we have E here between the two consonants. So you tell me my E stem would be
I.e.
very good. Now you will come to know yo quiero.
Quiero.
Iero. Is it clear to you? Tú quieres. Yeah. Is it clear to you?
Mhm.
Él, ella.
Quieres.
Quiere.
Yeah. Nosotros
Queremos.
Queremos, yes. That would not be under the category of IE stem. So here we have vosotros. Queréis. Very good. Muy bien. Muy bien. So here we have accent. Muy bien, señoras. And here we have the ellos, ellas quieren. Bien. Yeah? The next we have verb is conocer. Conocer is to know. Conocer is to know. If you feel heavy, so please let me know. Okay? Conocer is to know. Okay, if you want to stop, you can stop me. That's not a problem. If you feel, okay. See, in conocer verb, we have that's a formula basically. Only in your case, we cannot say yo coneso. We can say yo conozco. Speak up. Yo
Conozco.
conozco. Here we have to insert Z. Conozco. Conozco. Why we
Conozco.
have Z? I will let you know why it's Z. You can learn this. That's I can explain to you. That's it is just I just want to explain you like how you can go for with this conjugation. How you will come to know. If I cannot insert Z, that should be conoso. Yeah, conoso. But my Z sound is so. My Z sound is so.
So,
So that's the reason we have to insert s sound conosco and co sound is co. Co.
co.
My co sound is co.
Co.
Co. See, we have conoso. So we have to
Conoso.
insert that sound and after see, I'm right. I just want to explain you again. Conoso, right? If I want to insert conoso, conoco, conoco, yeah. So if I want to insert Z, so that is conosco.
Okay.
Conoco. Why? Because CO sound is co. So we have to come up with the s sound because basically my CO sound is co. Co.
Co.
So we have to come up with the s sound. So for this reason, we have to insert Z over here. So here we have yo conosco. Is that clear to you?
Conozco. Wait.
Speak after me. Speak after me. In conocer verb, nouns, we have to pronounce. We have to pronounce s sound. Basically, sound is co. Other pronouns have to insert Z. Is that clear to you, Senora?
Yes, sir.
Repetir, por favor. In conocer verb, we have to pronounce S sound.
And sound. Basically,
Basically,
co.
CO sound is CO sound is
No. Co.
yeah. Okay.
So in order
So
to
in order to
pronounce
pronounce
S.
a sound, we have to insert S. So that is yo conozco. Is that clear to you, Senora?
Yes, sir.
Now we have the same ending. Only in your case. Tu con. Why? Because my CE sound is so.
So,
Conoces. Speak up.
We have not done
conoces.
Here,
the phonetics.
yes, here we cannot apply Z because that sound is already by default that sound is says. CE sound is so. Is that clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
I'm repeating one more time. Listen. This verb is conocer. We have a sir sound. Conocer. Sir. Ce sound is say. Basically, ce sound is sir. Yeah. So I cannot go. We have to insert sir sound in conocer verb. We have to insert sir sound.
No sound.
So basically, if I will make cono, if I will make, I have to remove er and I have to insert o. If I will remove er, so what it would be? So this is what konoko, because co sound is ko. So in order to pronounce so sound, we have to insert z here over here. So yo konosko. Yeah,
No conesco.
is it clear to you? Two,
Yes, sir.
we cannot insert z because that is by default. That is ce sound is ce sound is sir.
So,
So by default that is sir sound. So we cannot insert z. Is that clear to you? Are you sure, senoras?
yes, sir.
Tú conoces él,
Yes.
ella conoce, because we cannot insert
Conoce.
z, so by default that's a sir sound. Yeah,
So sound.
yeah. Nosotros, you now you know because we do not have a formula. It's very simple. Conocemos.
Conocemos.
Yeah. Vosotros. Tell me what would be conocéis.
Conocéis.
Yeah. And
Yes.
ellos,
Ellas.
ellas conocen.
Conocen.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
The next verb I want to explain to you. In the next verb also, maybe that would be the same formula. Like we have a next verb, conducir. Okay, let's go with conducir. Conducir is to drive.
Right.
CI sound is also sir. So basically, CI sound is sir. CE sound is sir.
So,
But CO sound is
go.
oh. Is that clear to you? So now, if I want to convert my conducir verb, which is to drive, I have to remove ir. So that is what? Conduco. Conduco. In order to make sir sound, what we have to do? We have to insert z over here. Is that clear to you, senoras? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
So that is condusco. Because
Condus.
you have to remember these things, like in these verbs we have to come up with my so sound, so that is condusco. Yeah,
Condusco.
is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
To conduces, very simple.
To conduce.
Yeah, el ella conduce, very simple.
Conduce.
Nosotros conducimos.
Conducemos.
Yeah, vosotros conduces. Why? Because that's an
Conducemos.
ironing verb. So in ironing verb we have e over here. Is that clear to you?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And here we have conduces.
Conduce. Conduces.
Yeah. And here we have conducen.
Conduce.
Is that clear to you, senoras? Tell me again.
Yes. Yes, sir.
My next verb is traducir. Traducir is to translate. C'est la traduire verb in French language. Traduire in French. Here we have traducir. Is to translate.
Traduce.
Yeah. The same formula we have. I have to remove ir. If I want to remove ir as a formula, and I have to insert o, that is traduco. But yes, we have to
Traduco.
come up with. We have to
Yes,
come up with
we
the
need a
sound.
sound of S.
So that is tradusco. Is that clear to you?
Francisco.
Is that clear to
Wait.
you? So here we have same traduces, yeah, traduce, yeah, yeah. Now
Wait.
this is our ending verb, so traducimos,
Traducimos.
traducimos, because we have ironing verb. So in ironing verb we have emos ending, imos,
Sim.
and here we have traduces, yeah. Is it clear to you, senoras?
Yes, sir. Sim.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? So do you want to go for
It
a
is
new
enough
verb,
for
also?
today.
Or is it fine for today? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Can we finish now?
Yes, sir.
That should not be heavy, right? So we
We
have
can.
covered lot of verbs. We
Okay.
already have covered ser verb. We already have covered star verb. We already have covered tener verb. We already have covered aber verb. We already have covered what of verbs we have covered, right? We already have covered career verb. Huh? We have covered poder verb also we have covered, right? Yeah. And
Yes,
poder
sir.
verb. Tell me poder. So we have to insert. We have O between two consonants. So tell me what. Poder we
UI.
already have covered. Now you will come to know we have UE. My O is converted into UE. So yo
Puedo.
puedo, puedes, puede, podemos, podeis, pueden. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Shall we finish for today?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Like what are the verbs, conjugation, what is this? So guys, basically these verbs will give you a good touch in the Spanish language. Because you know what? We have regular verbs, we have irregular verbs, the same in Spanish and French language. But we have to know the pattern, like why we are inserting Z over here, why we are inserting UE over here. So these things you have to do practice. It is not a lot of cases we have. Normally 80% we have regular verbs. In 20% cases, the same in French language, we have irregular verbs. Yeah.
Irregular verbs.
So what you
Yes,
need
sir.
to do is you have to practice at your house. Yeah. And
Sir.
I will explain to you a lot of verbs again for tomorrow.
Okay,
Tomorrow
sir.
also we'll go for a verbs pattern, so that we'll come to the present tense and we'll go for a past tense, future tense. The same we have pluscuparfait in French language. We have imparfait in French language. The same in Spanish we have. Is it clear to you? So do you find it's
Yes.
very difficult or it's normal or it's very simple? It is just
It's
like a
normal. We
simple,
have to do
normal. It's just like
practice.
a normal, yeah, yeah. Because it is just we have to understand the verbs conjugation. Yeah. Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you, senoras?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I want you to do more and more practice so that in the next 2 3 days we'll go for a conversation pattern at least, and we will go for comprehension passages. Yeah.
Sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Sir,
चलो. Here.
one more thing. आप अपने
हाँ.
account details भी send कर देना.
No
I will
problem.
send.
That's not a problem. Yeah.
Sir.
So take care. Okay. Adios. ठीक है.
Adios.
Thank
Adios.
you. Yeah. So we'll
Saludate
meet
you.
tomorrow at the same time at 11 o'clock. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.